facto extraordinário comparar as fotografias logo a seguir à tragédia que aconteceu aqui na Ribeira Brava, mas também no Funchal, e ver aquilo que já está em curso hoje. Vemos aqui uma atividade extraordinária, vemos as máquinas, vemos os homens, vemos a confiança no futuro. I'm impressed because I saw the great reaction of the people of Madeira. They are already working. If you go through the island, you see not only the cleaning, but also the reconstruction already going on. The tourist areas were not affected, and Madeira, that for me is one of the most beautiful tourist destinations in the world. It's really a jewel. Madeira is one of the best places in the world. We are going to support through our Solidarity Fund, and we are going to support the efforts of reconstruction. But apart from this, what is important is my confidence in the future of the economy of Madeira, to a large extent because of the dynamism of its people, determination of its government, and also the solidarity of the authorities of the country and of Europe.